What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening, and welcome to this update on SLP. In this video, we'll be talking about SLP, which has obviously been very bearish still in this bear market, but ever since like the FTX crash, we have been bearish. And just wanted to do a quick update on what you can expect. And apart from that, I also think it's important to just sometimes update SLP. I used to cover it a lot. I mean, I think I've covered SLP like 30, 40 times, something like that. And I know there's a big SLP community around Cilinix Crypto, so just wanted to cover it. But apart from that, I mean, not a lot has been going on with SLP. For the last week, we've been consolidating on top of two 0.21 cents. And sure, we had some bullish moves, but the rejections off of our resistance levels have definitely confirmed that SLP is still bearish. I mean, for example, this touch here at 382 FIB with that 50 EMA, the cross point of that, we reacted to that very heavily, and we've been consolidating ever after. I know the candles look weird, and most of the times that's because of the volume. There's just not a lot of volume, as you can see. The volume is very, how to say it, very spread out. And a lot of it is on some minor exchanges, such as BitTrue, BuyBox, and LBank. So the coin I am analyzing, which is SLP USDT on Binance, has not a lot of volume, as you can see, or you cannot see that even. I'm not sure where. Yeah, so that only has 340,000 volume. So then you get something like this, but we can still say something about it. So the main thing is that what's probably going to happen is that we're going to drop down. Our main support level right now is between 0.21 and 0.2 cents, quite a strong level. So I do think that can hold, but essentially what's going to happen is that we can hold that, but we can probably only hold it for a couple of weeks or until the next bearish fundamental event happens. If that happens, then we'll probably drop down to this level here at around 170 or 0.17.5 cents, something like that. That seems like the next psychological support level. But it's not looking good for SLP. The only way in which we can go up is if we get some bullish fundamentals regarding XC Infinity, like updates, increased player numbers, something like that. If that happens, then what I also drew in the beginning, then we can actually get a bullish breakout. And the main level we would want to break with SLP is 0.23 cents, because if we break that, we'll take a break retest, get up to 0.25 cents, and then from there we actually have the chance to start some sort of an uptrend. But we're going to consolidate on top of 0.2 cents until we get those bullish fundamentals for XC Infinity. And if that doesn't happen for the next 2 or 3 weeks, then we're just going to get a bearish breakout and drop down to 0.17.5 cents. So it's looking pretty grim, all right? And even though, I mean, if you take a look at SLP over the last month, you can see that SLP has actually turned deflationary. Like we burned more SLP than what we minted, but we burned more, like 30 million. And 30 million on the circulating supply that we have is just not a lot, all right? So we have turned deflationary, which is great, but still we have a long way ahead of us. But buying SLP, it is getting more attractive, I have to say. But if you, like, for example, if you take a look at from August the 1st to right now, you can actually see that we have burned over 900 million more, which is, I mean, that already is quite a nice change. 900 million on top of this, yeah, it's decent. So SLP is, in my book, is becoming a better and better buy. I'm also doubting whether I should buy it, but the thing is, the big scary thing is whether the inflation rates will pick back up when the game actually starts getting played more, which would be bullish for SLP, but not if it turns inflationary then. But yeah, I think that's interesting to know at least, but that's my take on SLP for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.